Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying who you sell to and what they urgently need. This narrows focus and saves budget. Once done, create one compelling offer, a checklist, template, or low-cost trial that solves a specific pain. Make sure to configure tracking with UTM tags and one primary KPI, like cost per lead. Then, build a single landing page and form that minimizes friction. Don't overcomplicate fields. Finally, prepare one follow-up email to send within 15 minutes. You now route traffic efficiently by selecting 2 channels and allocating small test budgets. This gives fast signal without wasting spend. Once traffic flows, map the funnel from ad to landing, thank you, then nurture emails with clear next steps. Make sure to /B test headline variance, CTA copy, and form length so you can improve conversion rate each week. Use cohort tracking to see which channel yields qualified leads, and reallocate budget toward the better performing source after 2 full test cycles. You finalize by converting raw leads into sales opportunities through simple lead scoring, assign points for actions and company fit, and automate the sales handoff when thresholds are met. Once qualified, scale winners. Increase budget gradually, broaden creative variants, and replicate lookalike audiences. Make sure to monitor CPL and lead quality as you scale. If quality drops, tighten targeting, raise lead magnet friction slightly, or add a micro-commitment step. A single troubleshooting tip: if leads are unresponsive, shorten the sales timeline and add immediate value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.